perform the operations indicated. We have 6 minus -10 divided by 5. We have here integers, and the order of operations for integers is the same like for positive numbers. So first, if we have parentheses, we have to do parentheses, the power, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction from left to right. So we have here subtraction and division. So first we have to do division. Beginning we will rewrite 6 minus, and we have -10 divided by, we don't have any sign, so it's positive. Negative divided by positive. When we divide negative by positive or positive by negative, it doesn't matter, the answer is always negative. It's the same rule like for multiplication. So we will have negative answer, so let's copy in parentheses negative sign, and we have now 10 divided by 5. Close parentheses. So this is equal, we copy 6 minus, and we have negative sign, 10 divided by 5, that's 2. So this is equal. Now we have subtraction of integers. You can memorize that two negative signs give you always positive, or when we have subtraction of integers, we copy first number, we change subtraction to addition of opposite. Opposite to -2 is 2. You see, negative and negative give me positive. So you can write positive sign, or you can change this to sum of opposite. So this is the same. So now we have 6 plus 2, so this is 8. This is my solution.